Hi, I'm Chef Bernard. Have you ever had a dinner at a five-star restaurant that you were willing to pay up to $100 or more? What if you had access to the kind of sauces these master chefs use? What if you invited your most critical foodie friends and dazzled them with that kind of a feast that you made yourself at a fraction of the cost of a five-star restaurant? That would be priceless. Guess what? You can do exactly that with a little help from your friend, Chef Bernard of Colors and Spice Gourmet. Imagine the look on your friend's face when they take the first bite of your creation. Imagine the look on your friend's face when you tell them you made it yourself. My demi-glace is made in the old tradition of the master chefs in Paris and is the most important base sauce in French cuisine. Plus, I will give you a lot of my personal recipes of different dishes you can prepare with demi-glace, like chicken Normandy, coq au vin, filet mignon forestier, steak au poivre, and more. During this cold season, you can enjoy one of my heartwarming gourmet soups, like lobster bisque, French onion soup, wild mushroom soup, or yellow split pea soup with ham hocks, along with barbecue beef wet rub and my steak seasoning that chefs in some of the best steakhouses use.